From Neural Newscast, I'm Evelyn Hartwell.
And I'm Frederick Moore.
Immigration and Customs Enforcement officers are now authorized to enter private homes without a judicial warrant under a newly revealed internal memo. This directive, which dates back to May 2025, allows officers to bypass neutral third-party arbiters when pursuing targets on private property.
The internal document targets undocumented people through administrative warrants signed by executive branch employees instead of judges. Civil liberties experts say this shift eliminates the standard legal requirements for probable cause and judicial oversight.
This policy represents a significant departure from centuries of established legal protections for private property owners. Law professor Emmanuel Mauleon describes the memo as crossing a historic line for federal law enforcement authority.
The Fourth Amendment has traditionally protected all people within the United States from warrantless searches by government agents. This internal guidance remained hidden from public view until a whistleblower complaint surfaced earlier this week.
The Department of Homeland Security claims the directive helps manage the most intense surge of enforcement in history. A spokesperson for the agency notes that many targets already have final orders of removal issued by immigration courts.
However, critics point out that hundreds of thousands of these orders were issued in the absence of the defendants. Minnesota Governor Tim Walz has called the move an assault on the privacy and freedom of every American.
Turning now to a major development in tech, Epic Games and Google have formed a secret $800 million partnership. This deal involves joint product development and marketing for the Unreal Engine and the game Fortnite on Android.
Federal Judge James Donato revealed the financial details during a hearing on the long-running antitrust battle between the companies. The agreement came to light as both sides attempt to finalize a settlement regarding App Store competition.
The court is investigating whether this massive financial commitment serves as an incentive for Epic to soften its demands. Judge Donato questioned if the deal would discourage Epic from seeking changes that benefit smaller app developers.
The proposed settlement would allow alternative app stores to operate more easily within the Google Play ecosystem. Epic CEO Tim Sweeney testified that the deal is essential for his company's future growth in the metaverse.
Sweeney maintains that the payment to Google is for cloud services and does not represent a conflict of interest. He told the court that Epic has always rejected sweetheart deals that exclude other software developers from the market.
Google has declined to comment on the specific terms of the $800 million commitment. The judge will decide later this week whether to approve the final terms of the antitrust settlement.
I'm Evelyn Hartwell.
And I'm Frederick Moore. Neural Newscast is AI-assisted, human-reviewed. View our AI transparency policy at neuralnewscast.com.